Ginger Cordeyo. This is for the women hustlers in Iganga and the boss ladies in Kamuli. It is for the shakers in Luka and the makers in Mayuge. This is for all women in business in Bosoga and surrounding areas. The PSFU Women's Day Katale is back under the theme Bridging Economic Divides for Women's Prosperity. It is happening at Damwater's Rugby Grounds in Ginger from the 15th to the 17th of March. Come network with fellow women entrepreneurs, meet potential customers, market your business, enhance your skills, get inspired, and take your business to the next level. Get open at 9 a.m. and entrance is free. For more information, call 0702 369 372. PSFU Women's Day Katale is proudly brought to you by the Private Sector Foundation Uganda in partnership with the MasterCard Foundation.
So, good morning, everyone. Welcome back from a very eventful weekend. Abantu badde mu roast and rhyme. Naffe twakadde ngulo tukyannuma naye omuzungu agamba nti regardless we move. Yes, it's a bright morning. Ngenza okujja ku monitor wano buli kimu kyakyuse wiiki emu gye mmaze nga sijja. Mwali mukwaya mwatadde mu ssente bambi. Buli kimu newsroom zonna wansi. Mwaya kala FDC mwagituwadde mpya. Twavudde mu Nuupu red, twavudde mu red. Kali tuli mu FDC. Buli kimu blue emeza setup. Those no setup gye ino okubeera wano. Yeah, I think it's okay. Otherwise, I hope you guys are doing well. Tugenda kwogera luzungu ku KFM. Yeah. Ngenda kusookera wa Miss Uganda waffe banaye yayingidde top 10 mu Miss World. So essaawa yonna tuyinza okubeera wano mu byokusaaga ne tufunako Miss Uganda nga ye Miss World.
You guys, I am so happy. Ugandans, we are top 10 Miss World Beauty with a purpose. How important Beauty with a purpose is in Miss World? Beauty with a purpose is the most important competition in Miss World. So this is it. This is it. Chino Checho. Mama! Our hard work. Guys, I was literally crying backstage. And tell them that it came as a surprise.
So, omukyalo oyo, we wish you all the best, madamaze. Njagala mubawanga breaking amawulire ago. Ate bwe tumala tulabe bwe tukomawo ekintu kino okubeera nga ate tukikwasaganya. Naye nga ne musajja wange Joe Walker yatambudde olunaku olwaleero bagenda sula ku bagita batya ku line. Tomorrow they are expected okubanga bayingira fort. Abantu twabagamba twatandika Monday ewedde, so Tuesday lwasuubira okubanga ayingire fort. Era nga fort pot agenda kuba yanirizibwa omukulu bamuyitaani King Oyo. King Oyo yagenda omwaniriza olunaku olw'enkya. Bajja sula ku faamu ya King Oyo, amala abatwale ku lubiri lwe Wednesday yonna babeere naye, then they will call it a day bakomewo naye. Joe Walker naye mu kutambula tebatambula butambuzifu wa kutuuka gye balaga. Bagezezaawo okulaba nti basiiga zebra crossing, balaba nti bateekayo road signs, naye n'okwogerako n'abaana the future drivers about road usage and and everything. So here is a clip of him in one of his journeys ng'agenda kamukuwe omulabe bye yabaddeko. Then when we come back tugenda kuba tuli ku KFM.
Mwali mulabye kakalenje ku makubo gaffe. Ani yali akalabe. Zangu tubulire. Kike wa soko kakoneko bakuyitani. Tubulire kyewalaba.
Zakabenje kenalaba ku luguudo.
Let's watch this video.
Nali tuyimiridde awo mabega gawe mabega
wa
awo mu town yawe kyakatini. Kati waliwo omusajja w'amata yali atambuza atunda mata. Kati nga lwono wa boda. Omusajja yali avuga nga ddere yagamba nti adda mu Bende. Kati ng'ava eno Kampala. Omulenzi yali asala yali wa matanga ali ku piki. Emmotoka yali ayimiridde kumpi ng'anaatera osala ng'ayimiridde kumpi n'ekkubo. Omusajja aveeyo b'emmotoka yamuwulako etya n'akuba piki w'amata n'amumenya okugulu. Wamata yali ambadde buutusi. Kati egumba erimu nerigwa mu buutusi. Bagamba kuliko egumba eribulako. Gumba eryasigadde mu buutusi. Gumba eryasigadde mu buutusi. Gumba eryasigadde mu buutusi. Bwe bagamba. Nerigwa mu buutusi.
Byetugenda okwogerako tulina Thanksgiving ya Pastor Bugingo wali ku church ye yabaddeyo olunaku olw'eggulo ku Sunday. Tulina Salvador. Abaana babadde bamuse. Babadde bamuse. So byemu ku byetugenda okuba nga tukomawo ko nabyo nga tubyogerako wano olunaku olwaleero. Pozi ne Mr. Ibu eyafudde n'embeera mwe yafiiridde mwe tugenda okubeera nga tugezaako okutambuza ekintu kino olunaku olwaleero. Tulina show ya Lydia Jasmine, tulina show ya UB40, byonna ebyabaddeyo weekend eno tugendako nga tubitunuulidde. So please don't dare tukigezaako okujjako. Namukasa's only son Kati nakakyusiza madam nga nti son of Namukasa nenzijukira Namukasa's only son Kuku Wazabanga Semanengeni ngenda kubeera nga nkomawo live and direct ku Kefair nga twogera oluzungu. Kyesategera waliyo sebe ebyayo ebiga nti Kasuku tamanyi luzungu. Are you an idiot? Are you a fool? Nonsense. Katukomewo.
Katuwanjulire Fresh Chat bakufulu mukola ebyokunywa ebya buli kika omuli juice n'ebika bya juice byonna bye wali owuliddeko kyayo wa buli kika ku mikolo basala fruits ez'omulembe ate nga nnyonjo bakola juice alimu simoko bakola ekifaananyi ky'omugole mu bibala ekitabangawo abalala kye batasobola bakola ku buli kika kya mukolo omuli introduction okwanjula embaga baby shower birthday okukyala okubatiza bakola ne delivery bw'oba weetaaze bakola ice cream owa buli kika zi strawberry vanilla, banana. Bafune ku Instagram ku Fresh Chat at 4. Ku Facebook Fresh Chat. Kuba ku simu 0707 nyanya 770 oba 0782 58582. And Fresh Chat, fresh at its best.
Brian abantu bagamba ova mu kamera togeza nova mu kamera. Faiza, hi.
Hello.
First say hi to my people here.
Hi, how are you?
Your hair grows so fast.
It does, right?
Yeah, but you're looking good.
Thank you very much.
So you're going to let it grow again? Yeah?
It's Juliana Kanyamozi with Oliwama and you're playing for you on 933 KFM. Better information and the best music. She premiered the song right here on 933 KFM ad. Oh my goodness.
How was it meeting Juliana?
It was fantastic. And the voice you're hearing is the one and only Baby Cuckoo joining us this Monday morning. First of all, how are you? You look great.
Do I?
Yes, first of all, you're back from a very eventful weekend.
Yeah.
And the last time you and I saw each other was at your birthday party.
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Did you eat?
Yes.
And you drank?
First of all,
Brian, did you see Faiza at the party?
So, first of all, Kuku's friends are so dope. Like, each of them were like, they declared open bars. I was like, what's happening?
I usually tell her
you are just getting started.
Yes, we were just getting started. We can't see you no more. And we were like, hey, Faiza, where have you gone? Yeah.
Friends,
So how you do, Brian?
How are you?
Visible, Brian.
I am
We are all talking. So it was quite the weekend that weekend. Last week, the other weekend. Of course, Brian, thanks for coming by.
How old are you turning?
Pfizer, thanks for coming by.
Well,
I think we should ignore age and years. Yeah, we forward go. Because now I'm at a stage where I need to cut things. Then on Monday we did the Joe Walker. The walk. Yeah. And I think tomorrow by Ingira Fort. Yes. So tomorrow is when they are sleeping at Oyo's farm, right? Yes. And he's hosting them. Yes. Wow. That day you walked how many kilometers? Okay, you went up to where? I went up to Bulenga. But Bulenga was just near there. Yeah. So you didn't have lunch? I mean breakfast with them? No. Ah, okay. Yeah, but we wish you all the best, Joe Walker. People are walking to make a difference. Yeah. And I like that when they are walking, they just don't walk. They paint zebra crossings. They talk to people in the areas about, users, you know. Yeah, it's quite a thing. Yeah. So over the weekend, still, the BD celebrations were still going on. Your BD? Yes, I have a rich man that sponsored me. You're celebrating birthday for 2 weeks. My friend. Is it me? People are celebrating people are celebrating me, which is a good thing. Yeah. Abantu beyongedde okwagala kasuku. Sima abantu beyongeredde ddala to love kasuku. Also kwesimawo for MP. That is not possible. Now they'll be the ones beating you, the Ruseke. Yeah. So, over the weekend we had Lydia Jasmine's concert. Yeah. A sold out show at the Africana Hotel. It was sold out. Yeah, it was sold out. I was so happy for her because, you know, in life, Kajora no Maori the Brian, there is a stage where people push, but hitting that ceiling where now people say that's Brian Molondo. Yeah? It's not just people saying, Brian Molondo, Molondo, you know? When you transcend that, then, so many guys in the media, they would love ngabogene karamoja bakumanyi, bogene mukono bakumanyi, bogene jinja bakumanyi, but waliwo we tuli awo, where people get stuck. Of course, I'm not part of those people. You know? Yeah, the entire country. You mean you transcended? My friend, I'm global. Huh? Yes, I'm globally known. Excuse me. Ize nalilanda ningabantu bandekanira. Huh? Kasuku bayi ngenda kumuli musida budda naye nkulabye webale kujja bayi. Huh? In London. They're in trains. On the streets of London. London. Yes. Manchester, huh? Even Ganacho was saying, "Our guy from Uganda, Kasuku," is a fact. You can't wakana, Brian. That is typical of you. Go wakana, what you say? Yeah, that is a sarcastic laugh. Or wakana. But it's okay. Like, you wait. One day when I travel with you, you will understand. People are saying, Kasuku, that guy from Uganda, Kasuku, I love you, man. As like Ganacho, hashtag it. But of course, Ugandans won't. They won't understand. They won't understand. They don't get it. But I'm global. Nariku Brussels out kutisawe chawe. And people were giving me money. I was in business class and I was saying, Kasuku, kade kwata ya sente. My dear friend. So, what happens with Lydia Jasmine is, so many musicians are stuck somewhere there. You do music, naye ng'akabati tokola ki? Kati akabati ako kakuba, you need to gauge. Do I have the people? Do I have the numbers? So now Lydia Jasmine can authoritatively say, I have the people, I have the numbers. But some people are saying that space is very small. Well, we have seen people who have failed to feed it. Do you know what it means collecting 5,000 people? You mean there were 5,000 people? That Kajura 5,000 people. That yes. It looks so small. It's very small. Yeah, it is small until they tell you take a cow. Take a mara. Hey. People have gone there and sweated. Huh? Yes. So congratulations, Lydia Jasmine. I think her most interesting outfit I liked when she was a mermaid. Then there's when she was candlelit dinner. A chandelier. Yeah, when she was putting on chandeliers. Yeah. She was candlelit dinner. You could see nyam. Oh no. When you're going to have dinner. I saw like those romantic dinners. Yes. So she literally served herself to the audience. She said, "This is me, Lydia Jasmine, yours." So one way enjoy. It was quite the show. So Kongs Lydia Jasmine Nage Nema Cindy Kumichisa on Saturday. She sold out. Her shows have really been massive. Yes. And I like the fusion of Chance Narubega, Chibijigiri, that Kadongo Kamu guy.
Chiwati?
Chibijigiri.
Who is that?
He's a Kadongo Kamu artist. He has a trending song on TikTok. Yeah, there's some all these Sophia Nantongo. They came and they spiced up the whole show. It was quite the show. Then of course UB40 happened.
Did you go?
I didn't go. I Auntie Nafunye sponsoring
for the back
out of town.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nangamba Kasuko, it's all expenses paid. Please come enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I thought like the guy told me, come and find me in Ginger. So I thought like I'm going and I'm coming back and they was like, no, you can't be here and you can enjoy yourself. So I missed UB40, but they told me it was the show. They of course they put up quite the show. The attendance was average. But people had a good time.
Was this because of the cancellation?
No. I think we are past UB40 now. So did you attend? You didn't attend. I think we are past UB40. So it was expected. I want to but we are waiting for David O. Now, people who are organizing the video, I want to inform you here, the video is coming this month, and I will attend. I will be part of the few people who will attend if they don't push their show. They are there, but it could show a deal. Next Monday, we are beginning fasting, Muslims.
Yeah.
The Catholics, we are also fasting. They have refused to do serious advertising. We want to tell them Davido has come here before 2 times. And all the times he has come here, he has flopped.
Yeah?
He has flopped. All the 2 times he has come here.
The first time was when he came late, right?
Yes.
When he flew in late.
Exactly. No, there's when they brought him for a show at Freedom City. Davido, there's a time Davido came here.
Like a long time ago.
There's a time Davido came here and spent here for a week. Nagena ne kugundi laughter zao ngechaliwo. Kubya comedy.
Is that when he did a song
with Palazzo? Yes. I'm telling you.
That was a long time ago.
Now, Davido then had Reaja Crafters we are calling me that Diamond. Rebecca that song, the remix of #1 that sent Diamond global. And it's like the guy went, he didn't thank me when he won a channel or award and all those things. So I want to inform the organizers of that show that please promote the show. The show is not yet on the ground.
It's 3 weeks. It's 3 weeks to the show.
Yes, it's 3 weeks to the show. You will think it is a sure deal. I want to assure you, we shall be here. Because now Davido is on over 200,000. The first ticket.
What?
Is at 200,000. Katiolaba Lydia Jasmine almost lost her life. She literally couldn't sleep. She was everywhere.
She was everywhere.
Pushing Davido. Now, Davido has a history of not pulling big numbers here.
No, but I think the ticket price is based on first of all, how much the artist costs himself for Muleta, but also the event in its entirety.
Yeah, but regardless, you have to push the show.
Thank you. What he's Ugandans move with hype.
Yeah.
So if we are not hyping the show enough, we shall be here, Brian.
Well, even UB40 was hyped.
Exactly. Atenzo Ndaba, I'm going to be on a table there.
Huh?
Yes, I have my Mugaga.
Who's going to...
Who told me, Kasuku, don't worry.
I got you.
So I'm not speaking that I want a ticket or what or what.
You are sorted.
I'm telling them the truth. That if they don't push, those ads need to play on TV, on radio, the banners in Tani Sozira Banayentini, but they need to play on social media. They need to get influencers. You have seen Rost and Rhyme. Rost and Rhyme has over 100 influencers. But Rost and Rhyme could have said it's a sure deal. So with that history I'm giving you, if I were you, I would move faster. If I were them,
you would move faster.
I would move faster. Very fast. They're not pushing that show. Nze ngambe David emirundi gyonna jazze wano aflopins.
But
Jazze wano. I've been here, I've seen it.
I think surely Davido over the years has become much more popular, appeals probably to a much wider audience. Perhaps our argument now is whether the ticket price is affordable for because it's a concert. I'm assuming they want it to sell out and fill the entire place.
The ticket price is not the problem. Yes. Last year twamulabira ku mitwalo 2.
It's how you...
Yes. Last year twamulabira ku mitwalo 2 ku Serena.
People will look for money.
But like I've told you, Ugandans move with hype.
Where is the show?
At Cricket Oval. Eh?
No, at
Cricket
Airstrip.
Oval. At the Airstrip. Yes. Airstrip.
That's where it's happening at the Airstrip.
That thing is massive.
Yeah. Kastoch Tegede. So how many minutes do we have? I have 2 stories. Very important stories.
We have, well, okay.
Fortunately, we have some time.
We shall have 8 minutes.
Can we go minus the song?
Can't do that.
Because the song is going to
that's
eat
our
3
programming. You can't
do that.
enter our
My boss
programming.
will
But the man is walking.
Auntie,
Is he listening?
Yeah, he's walking.
who is walking?
Which one?
The boss.
Which boss?
So, unless he's also overdoing it, how do you monitor radio as you walk? Jungle down your way. Akubire na musa akarango n'oluyimba ate no bachapa mugu. Okay, but
give us one story.
One story here.
One story. Give us this one.
That one is big. Let me give you Salvador. So what happens is, Salvador commented about this Simpoga issue, the 500 million. And so he was saying, like, people scrambling, what. Then for him, it was like, for them, but he could stand by generator. Yeah, like the fracas going on between, Nope and one. So he said, for Bobadi could stand by generator.
Waiting for their time.
Then Kakwenza enters. They say Salvador's wife left.
Yes.
And went to Canada. And she's seeking asylum. That's what Kakwenza is saying. But she's seeking asylum. The truth is the madam went. She's not in Uganda. Yes. Someone told me like 2 weeks ago, said the madam left. I don't know why she left.
But the madam is studying.
I don't know.
She's studying.
She's studying in Canada.
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's good. So she went. Now, for them, they are saying she's seeking asylum. Mbubage enda kunasa. Nebafune ebipapula ebya nope ebiri fake. Nebatika the signature okulaga nti nope emanyi nope kati recommendinga. Chiri yawe kamocha. Signature yo kayoke ya principal.
How much?
Okujituukako wali andi ye principal abatabimanyi. Ya recommending wa secretary general. Naye amakubo goyitamu wano. It's not free. It is not free. Naye abaana ba struggle bagenze.
Really?
Oh! Kati waliwo show ya principal eri London.
Let's get back on it.
Expect. They told me he asked for 20 people that have to go with him.
It's Salary from Yuga Boys and Selector Jeff playing for you on 933 KFM. Best
Take
information and the best music. Tell you what, hopefully you received some salary into your account.
My salary is already done.
Ziwede.
There is more month than salary.
So Brian, I was telling you. So when they said Salvador's wife, she went to Canada, she's asking for asylum. So but you've said Asoma. So they were saying Salvador is here praising MK, yet Eriba Sabachi.
Asylum.
Yes. Then they were saying here he has a gig he's going to go to with the kids. That's where Salvador drew the line. He was like no, don't involve my children.
Yes.
Yeah. But the truth is, I don't know about Salvador's story and what. Most people abadi ebweru abubola abasinga. Bonabona banonya asylum. That is why you see bakambwe nnyo. Okay, I don't want to say most, but abasinga bola abali vocal ku internet banonya bipapula.
They are vocal against the dictator.
There are people who are saying tate waliwo abawana government ayine basabira ka asylum.
That's
eno bawana government ate eri mu bipapula byawe balaga nti government ene batulugunya. There's a guy who was actually who was posted on X, formerly Twitter, that is raising that issue. Anyway, I don't know, but we wait to see. For us, we see things, Brian. Yes, we see things. Why are you like, like you don't know anything I'm talking about?
I'm confused that you can say government treats you well, and then you go
online. They say government treats them well. I think they're asking for what?
Yeah, that's
others live here peacefully. The next thing you see, they are posting government. Government but me, I have no problem. Everybody should find their way.
But I know a man who we actually went with him to the US. Canada. Political persecution.
Is now what is moving.
He was a cameraman.
Oh, I know that one. I know that one. Even our friend, they told me, is in America.
Who?
If the former sports guy.
Who?
In America. So then now Mr. Ibu died. Mr. Ibu died.
Yes.
Yes.
I think he's one of the guys who defined my childhood. Growing up, Twala baby Nigeria ku Top TV. Did you watch me Nigeria on Top TV? There is a Top TV has survived these years.
Excuse me. You have to respect Top TV.
Very much.
Top TV is one of the actually Top TV. NTV and Top TV are the only TVs that commissioned, please listen very properly, commissioned, not bought, commissioned local content.
Yeah. Yeah, Top TV is doing a good job. Okay, they were doing a good job. I don't know now. I've taken long without watching it. Digital. They are not on DSTV. Are they on Go TV? I don't know. Katindwa balaba. Rakuba Top TV twawulira kawo room abaite basasula abakozi. So that was their only undoing. But twalabanga Nigeria sawa nya paka mukago bamusanvu. Nayenga part 1 bagiraga ngencho inolinda part 2. So Mr. Ibu was one of those people. He died a very sad man. That's what they say on the internet. Why they had to cut off his leg, why he refused. Then he had the first wife. The first wife ran away with almost all the money. I think in their divorce settlement. Now for the second wife na jane stepdaughter. Kati your account ze is a social media. Then bato kanga basonda sente ezimulabirira mu dwairo pe bills bichi ate omukazi naga sent soke tore kwa iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, okay, the wadi. So they say, okay, but from what we see on the net, his previous photos, you could see the wife feeding him, the daughter being around and what. There has been a scuffle, yeah, of who is supreme, who should be in charge and all those things. It's been really a bad one if you've been following it. But it's unfortunate he died. He died at 62 years. Diabetes took him for one of what we call sukari. Sukari took him. It was a bad thing, but we pray for him. May God receive his soul. And I think it teaches us so many things. There's a man who was saying you need to choose wisely who your partner is.
Yes.
You need to choose
it's
wisely.
A very important decision. Especially as you get older.
Because for us men, as we get older, man, you got to go. So we're not in control anymore. You know, katizino sente zoba wakole, you know, but you need to choose a partner who is not going to think about the money when you're still alive.
That's why they tell us, take your time getting the right person.
Getting the right person.
13 children.
13 children. Now, I think the biggest story over the weekend has been Pastor Bugingo.
What
has happened?
So Pastor Bugingo, yasokera ku Namboze.
MP.
Now, Pastor Bugingo decided he's going to blog things himself.
Really?
He's not going to, and it's what I like about him, yet hiring an influencer. You know, there's a battle going on between Senyonga and Kayanja. Yes. And I was told influencers are getting money anytime, Chabika.
Yeah?
Anytime. It is busting.
Who is paying more?
Oh! Nchano Nyereza. Phone calls are passing around.
Yeah?
Okay. Now, they told us, Bugingo said, I am going to be myself. He blogs from his church.
Yeah?
Yeah. He comes to his church. So last week he began with Nambozi.
Honorable.
Honorable Nambozi.
Kaboga. Atenga ko bwacha kumacha nekatulimba mumutemu yakagambe soko omanino okufuka. Omutemu agamba omala okukola susu. Ate n'ayitawo nga bawo tamulabye. Tiwali muntu mulala yamulaba. Kigamba kalike mandu. Bwetaba mandu acheche akasanga mu kisenge. Kanaletinga. Aboga. Mukiraba eri kusini tena kyabadde. Abamagezi ne bakagamba naye ddala twamanyi mulago emergency na sini tobyawula. Ekaddayo mugeye na kakyasirise kajja kujjayo omutwe emizimu givaayo mu seasons. Singoona aboga asirikako andiroozeza nti w'amagezi bw'abuniza emimwa gye bamulowooza nga mutegeevu. Gwe yeemanyi nti oli musiru sirika ffe tulowooze nti olina amagezi bayibuli bwegambye. Naye ne weemanya nti oli musiru ate ne weeteeka mu ba analysts omanyi kye bayita analysis babooga. Bino ebigambo mbikubuulidde Katonda bw'akukolera bwe batandikanga okubooga otegere nti abo ababooga bazaala. N'olw'ekintu Katonda kyatunanaga kano kino kifiira ki kiragewa ne bakitwala e Buyindi ne bakitwala wa ne bakizunza ne bakanika ne kisigala awo ne bakikanika buli wantu wonna ne bakizangoloza nti naye nga babalekeddawo trouble. They don't want peace. They want problems. Ne bw'aba atambula ayagala problems. Ne bw'aba mu kagaali ayagala problems. Bukyabagira babooga problems.
Said Nambozi, I saw you saying I was faking things. How dare you? When here you told us they were going to kill you. And the attackers, you asked them to first go for a short call. Yeah? And you went for a short call. Yeah. Unfortunately, we have to go. Okay. Unfortunately, we have to. But the stories continue on Kasuku Live. Kati namuga ntino. Mbo yaga Nambozi yagamba. Mbo sima yagala kusoka kufuka. Mwawatemu ne bayitawo. You remember that video of Nambozi? Eh, ne bamulekana afuka. You remember that video of Nambozi?
Abooluganda babadde bansise olwaleero babadde bansise nasse ekiro nendaba nga amataala kisenge kyange gonna gabadde gazikidde nasimanyi nasoose kulowooza nti oba balubu sikubye naye nga ate rest of the house wayaka. Kale olwaleero mbadde ntegeeza okukkira mu palamenti mbereko mu shadow cabinet naye kedeni omwami wange alina routine azukka n'agenda mu ddiiro gy'asabira morning prayers every day. So afulumye mu kisenge n'agenda naye waliwo n'abaana abakedde abalala bategeka olw'okuba nabadde mbagambye njakkeera kibatategedde nti abantu ba mutemu yabadde yayingiddemu kikomera kyaffe ng'ayite wa neighbor kubanga neighbor wange yalina olujja lutono sa ekisenge wakati we ne wange sakizimba asobole okuba nga asobola okukozesaako compound yange naye omutemu gye yayise badde ntudde mu kisenge awo buliri omusajja ng'atuuse mu kisenge kyange ayimiridde wakati mu kisenge Membuuze nyingira mu kinaabiro najja nakwata ku luggi n'agamba nondabirwamu vaayo mangu kuba mu kujasa sinaawo wadde buzibu sitegedde lwaki ayobeeyirire Madala nefuluma kati naŋŋamba nti saba essala ze zisembayo ndakutta.
So now Bugingo said, how can she? Yaliko TV. Naga ngasibitegeera. Eyo crime scene oba emergency. Oyo naamulya. Bugingo oyo naamulya. Namuteeka wali. Kati be yavudde awo nadda ku mukazi n'abaana.
Mama.
Hey!
Teddy.
Hey! N'agamba bamukuba batya amasasi ne baseka. Abaana wadde musaasira wadde muweereza aka message.
Abaana baseka.
Simanyi.
Did they check on him?
They didn't. He says they didn't check on him at all.
That's not good.
Emitima gy'abantu mwandibadde mugiyiga ne mutasalanga misango gye mutategeera. Juzi nakubwa amasasi ne wennali munnange n'afa. Naye era mmwe ab'emitima emibi abaagala omuntu afe abalina emitima emizibu abatajja na kujja ku Sunday mu Thanksgiving era temusobola kiraba nti gwe nasimatuka tasaasira yadigida budigizi klipu ezitambula yadigida budigizi nti agoba nkuba matono. Teri mwana yali ansaasidde nze nabazaala nabasonyiira ddala ne bwe bali ntemako omukono oba omutwe ne batansaasira Mukama takibabaliranga nabasonyiira ddala. Naye nange mba neebuuza bwebuuza kweri eyo gye bali banaabazaala ebyaddala okuzaala kweri bakuwaanyisa muntu n'ayingira amakaago n'akwata mukazi wo n'akwata abaana ne bafuukira ddala babe kisoboka okubafuula ababe. Nabagamba n'olunaku lwe bankuba amasasi emisana naye mbabulidde enjiri ng'erimu ebigambo ebi nti neesiga Katonda n'obudde. Tukiwa obudde. Tukiwa obudde.
I tell what is not good. Bayawukana.
You at least check on the man.
Nze kati awo Bugingo ku by'abaana be n'omukazi we twawukanira. If people have moved on, let them move on.
No, you check on the father of your children.
I tell you, check on him what? He already has another wife. That is now bygones. Your chapter closed. Pastor Baribareke. With everything that happened, let them enjoy their life. In life, you need to draw the line, Brian.
But he would have died.
Yeah, if he died, if he had died, what? Hey, you say some of these things is you arm people when you shouldn't. Because now, with all the friction that happened, did he expect them to come?
Brian, unfortunately, you have to leave.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we have to go.
Yagamba nti abaana abasonyiye luli ojjukira era tebajja tebaamuddamu eyo indicator nti bo baagenda mu maaso. Okitegeera. So the good pastor should just leave the children. Who is here? Let me see. And your mind chamalayo lugambo lwa Pastor Bugingo. So Gigi, how are you? Olayo mwana ono. From NTV to here. How do you find Kate?
Oh, this is her home, her first home. You know, I was here during my internship.
Oh, you were here during the internship?
I don't remember, you were here.
Was I? Where did we first meet?
Here.
Because I've known you like forever.
Here, I was doing internship, like what? Like,
internship here. I thought you've been this size.
Yeah, I take care of
with your hair.
I take care of
That's good, that's good. So I was still talking about Bugingo. So Bugingo said even the family, his wife. Then he also said a man comes, takes over your home. Natwala abaana bo, natwala mukazi wo, n'abazza mu byekisiru. yadde agamba Pastor Kayanja. Tumanyi Pastor Kayanja yajja n'agamba yajja kubalabirira. N'abaana bagamba nti n'abaweerera mbu. Mbu n'abaweerera.
Pastor Kayanja yali mu kintu.
Yalabirira Pastor Kayanja ayagaza kyo mukyalo.
Bugingo, if he decided to take over another woman,
for me, my only argument is yes, it's okay, but Kati, you know, for me in life, I tell people there is a stage where you accept. Hey,
it's been long. You can't still be waiting on.
Me, there are people I know in this lifetime never know. Yes, there are people I've totally cut off. I'm like, okay, may God receive his soul. That is all. Yes, I don't lose sleep over them. It is the truth. Because in life, there are people who are going to do things to you. Or but then when you move on with your life. And we need to get to that stage. So I saw him saying he got issues. The kids didn't even, you know, holler. And but the friction that happened, the pastor, we all saw it.
And it was bad.
And it was bad. It was terrible.
It was bad.
Things were bad. Well, by the way, during that whole breakup, up to now, I'm still on Bugingo's side. Anytime a man feels you're done with a woman for whatever reason, move on. The same thing I tell women, you're done with a man, children should not be the reason why you do what?
That you're saying move on.
Yes.
But here he is now. I think a child.
That is the only change. For Yasara to move on, that is now a closed chapter behind. Of course, people will say, yes, this is children. But that is how life is. Life happened, and you need to do what? I think most of us are still to the television. Now I have to do what? In life, there are people we are going to beat. Hey, you have to allow.
You're not supposed to be liked by everybody.
Exactly. So that is like what's up. The pastor teyali musanyufu kyobomanya teyali happy. But then yesterday they had service. Natutegeeza foundation ya Pentagon bagenda gisima omwaka guno.
Nasomera mu ssomero ly'Abakristaayo kuba nayogera ndi mwana muto. Ne bagamba nti oyo omwana awakananga abapoto. Kitange n'antwala mu ssomero ly'Abakristaayo. Baliyita Matali Mixed Primary School. Nalizimbirawo ebizimbe bisatu nga nkya ne president n'ekkanisa yange neegwa n'ensaba president n'agiteekako amategula. Twayimbanga tuline ekibuga kye yazimba Yesu etali kulwala teriba kutenda teribayo kutegana nate wabulo kuyimba
tamale gwe mulundi gw'ogusoosa okuyimba ng'ensi ewulira kubira Mukama engalo ez'amanyi ate ng'oluyimba lulungi nnyo wanika emikono ozikubire waggulu. Haleluya. Lunaku lwakwebaza Mukama naye ebimu ku bituwalanya ye Pentagoni. Kosobola kakwate tukaweyo lwa Pentagoni. Kwata kosobola alina atalina twali musango n'olulala ojja kubanga okola ki ng'owaayo. Naye alina jayo kosobodde tukaweeyo mu nkola ey'okuwaayo okuzimbira Mukama Pentagoni. Guno omwaka tugenda kusima omusingi wano ng'ensi etunula mu linnya lya Yesu. Guno omwaka this year era naawe weegambe nti guno omwaka nange nsima omusingi gw'enju yange. Nsaba abantu bangi bwe tunaasima omusingi naawe osima omusingi tusimbule tuyingire ya Mukama ng'oyingire eyo. Naawe yazimba edda oddemu ozimbe endala. Kale wanika Pentagoni ayina n'atayina wanika Pentagoni wo. Katonda wa Ibulayimu ne Isaaka n'akuba emikono egyo egiwanikiddwa nga tebalina baagalira ddala okuzimbira.
Yes. Omusingi bagenda kusima omwaka guno era n'agamba Yesterday we had the Thanksgiving. Hey. Church in the Foundation ya Pentagon. Church. Hey. Auntie Yagambi Foundation. But people I think just make noise anyhow. Do you know how many years Kakande took to build that church? The last center has sold up. I think 30 years. Exactly, but now the church is there.
I'm just going with what a good pastor said.
Yes.
We
are going to this year. So to this symbol, I didn't say which year, but this year we are building. This month, yes. So he said they are going to lay the foundation for the church, and he said when they are laying the foundation, everybody are here. You know, ask him almost change. Kutakalio mutandikire wamu. Kati bagenda bazimba church bwe zimbe nyumba yo. Simo msingi we nyumba yo. That is what he meant. The way you're looking hot, wasoro kubera wao ngatoina bakusondera. Why you wasting your I saw Pfizer having an argument with a guy on X about dress code and in fact Linda Koka Maloku winding up Sheno in person. Just a minute to get the one to get a call. So I want to do an interview with Pfizer about how women dress and their dress code not depicting what they are.
Yeah, we're going to talk about it.
Okay, so have a good day. Bye.